Hello students, let us learn about the types of software. First of all, what is software? As human beings, we all know how to perform our day-to-day activities and how to react in certain situations. For example, when we feel hungry, we eat. When we get tired of walking, we sit down. When we touch something extremely hot, we immediately remove our hand. Have you ever thought, how do we know what to do in these situations? It is the brain that gives us the instructions to act and react in this manner. Similarly, a computer gets all the instructions from the software to perform various tasks. The software is the soul of a computer, without which it cannot work. Computer is a machine that does not possess any intelligence of its own. A computer without instructions is like a car without an engine. It requires a set of instructions given by a user to work on. These sets of instructions are called programs, which are written in the computer languages. The software is a collection of programs that are stored and run on the computer hardware and help users to work on the computer. The software is that part of a computer which cannot be touched or seen. Software is of two types, system software and application software. First talk about system software. System software is defined as a collection of programs that controls the overall operations and internal working of a computer system. It reads data from input devices and transfers the processed information to the output devices. System software is of three main types: operating system, language processor, and utility software. Students know the fact the term software was first used by John W. Turkey in 1957. Operating system. An operating system is needed to operate a computer. It controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware and enable them to work together. When the computer is switched on, the operating system is the first program that gets loaded in its memory. Now let us look at an example for clear understanding. An operating system works like the principal of your school. The principal has various responsibilities to manage the school, like supervising the students, teachers, and workers, maintaining discipline, setting the examination schedule, timetable, curriculum, and attending to parents and visitors, etc. In the same manner, an operating system performs various functions to manage the working of a computer. Imagine what will happen if there is no principal in a school. Everything will be mismanaged. Similarly, if the operating system of a computer is not working properly, you cannot work on it. MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 8, Unix, Linux, Mac OS are examples of some popular operating systems. Okay students, let us now learn the functions of operating system. The main functions of an operating system are device management, input and output. An operating system controls the working of all input and output devices. Memory management. An operating system assigns memory to various programs whenever required. It also frees the memory when it is not in use. Runs software. An operating system runs the application software like Paint, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, etc. Processor management. An operating system manages the working of the processor by allocating various jobs to it. File management. An operating system keeps track of information regarding creation, deletion, transfer, copy, and storage of files in an organized way. Security. It provides security by means of passwords to prevent misuse of a computer. Okay, let us find out the types of operating systems. Single user. Single-user operating system allows only one user to use computer system at any given time. This is the most common type of operating system that is used in homes and offices. Multi-user. A multi-user operating system allows multiple users on different computers to access a system at the same time. These computers are connected to the main computer through a network. The multi-user operating system can handle the various needs and requests of all the users simultaneously. Linux and Unix are the examples of multi-user operating system. In this type of system, resources of the main computer are shared among the users. For example, in a computer lab, a single printer is attached with all the computer devices. Multitasking. Multitasking operating system allows a user to run more than one application programs at the same time. In multitasking, the operating system keeps track of the program you are in and allows you to switch from one program to another without losing information. For example, you can enjoy listening to your music while writing a letter to your friend. You may also send the print request to the printer while doing all of the above tasks. Windows is an example of a multitasking operating system. Students, do you know Charles W. Bachman received Turing Award in 1973 for his outstanding contribution in database technology? Okay, let us talk about utility programs. Utility software performs specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices, or its programs. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of the computer system and help it to perform better. Some utilities help you to avoid virus attack, take backup of data, recover data that has been accidentally erased, etc. Antivirus, backup, disk repair, file management, compression, and network programs are some examples of utility programs. You can buy various utility programs from the licensed computer stores. Some utility programs are also available free of cost on the internet. Students know the fact Seymour Robinstein founded MicroPro International Inc. in 1978. MicroPro developed the WordStar word processor. Network utility. Network utility checks the network connectivity and configuration of network devices. It also examines the network speed and performance, monitors network traffic from the console, and tracks the bandwidth usage. File Manager. File Manager utility helps the user to perform various operations on files such as viewing, editing, copying, and deleting. It also helps in managing files and folders and organizing them in a computer storage device. Disk Management. Disk Management utility enables a user to view and manage the disk drives installed in a computer. It can be used to partition drives, format drives, assign drive letters, and much more. Scanning. The act of examining the computer system, drives, or file for possible virus or malware attack is known as scanning. Scanning is done by using antivirus utility. This utility provides protection to your computer against virus attacks. It includes tools to recover lost files and protect your machine against system failure. You should keep on updating your computer with the latest versions of antivirus programs from the internet to ensure that it is able to detect and fight every incoming virus threat. Examples of antivirus software are Quick Heal, Avast, AVG, Norton, etc. You can scan your drives, pen drive, and entire computer system using the antivirus software.